everyone. So in today's video, we will be continuing our same game, which is Catch the Thief. So in last video, we made the Natwalal, we made the shape of diamond, and even we made the lasers. So that shape didn't work properly, so that's why I took a new animation from here, or a simple picture of diamond, and pasted over here with the same thing. Only I wrote no differences there, only the simple things where diamond. Then I set the animation, then I scaled it, and first I was trying it in the square thing, so that's why I have given this shade color. And even as you can see this, that what are these two slashes? So this means that you have commented the line, which means that whenever you play, this line won't work. Okay, so this means that you have cancelled that line. So now the thing is left that we have to make our Natwalal collide with the lasers, and whenever it collides with the laser, it should display the thief is caught, and whenever Natwalal touches the diamond, it should display that the diamond has been stolen. Natwalal won. Okay, or whatever you want to write. So let's start. So first we will write the collision. So for that, let me show you the code from my last. So now I am on my old code, the code which I wrote before this game. So see in there, as you can see, whenever it collides with the Natwalal, you can see the thief is caught and diamond is over there. So only thing is that we have to make these conditions. So for that, see what we have to write is that we have to write if laser 1 dot is touching thief or. This means or. So you have to write 2 times so that it is understanding. Laser 2 is touching thief, stroke 0. Stroke, if you want to give the stroke, fill maroon, whichever color you want to fill. Text size, you have to give the size of a text, and now you have to align the text, that is thief is caught, and at what place do you have to align it. Okay, so as this is a 400 and x is 400 and y is 400 of this canvas, so we will use 200 or this one. Okay, then we have to write laser 1 dot set velocity, laser 2 dot set velocity, thief dot set velocity, and then we have to display some text if you want to, like if you want to give some text, and text to the Natwalal, text to the diamond, and anything. So main condition is this. So let's write it. So now as you all can see that I have written the condition. So what I wrote is that this. So see, if you are having any doubt that if my error will come, so it shows when you are writing, it will show something up, you can say a yellow triangle, or sometimes it shows a red square also. So let's say let us make this as 3. Okay, so now it is saying that laser 3 hasn't been declared, and when you run, it will now turn into a red square. So what does this mean is that now when it came to this line, when it came to the touching line, it is saying that laser 3 isn't declared. So if you are having any doubt that what will happen and what might happen if I am writing any code wrong, or you are getting something like you are having a doubt in your mind that there is something wrong, so all you need to do is that you have to just check for the yellow rectangle or the red square. Okay, then you have to run. If then also comes the error, then you have to look for the error properly, and then you have to debug it. So now I have written everything. So now what is left is that we have to write this Natwalal and text font. So let's write. Okay, so this is the text diamond from where I wrote the diamond in my last this, as you can see. But still there is one thing is left, that is the condition for this, the diamond one. So now the condition is also working for thief is caught. Now let's write it for the diamond. So let's write if conditions. Okay, if, then parenthesis, and then curly brackets. If it is showing error, then let us again write it. So let's do this, and other way I have told you that let's go to control if, then drag that if condition over here. Okay, now let's first we have to give our main condition, that is if thief dot is touching, or else you can take that is touching from sprites also. It's over here is touching, then we have to give the target over here. Okay, so if you want more to learn about this, now just put your cursor over here, then go to see examples, then it will teach you properly about it. Okay, network something has gone wrong, so let's do it. Okay, let's write that laser one. What is it touching? Diamond. So let's write diamond. Okay, now as we have written the diamond, so we just want to write for the diamond. So now let's go here, come here, and then we have to write all these conditions. So let's control C and control V. Let's copy paste it. Okay, now only we have to change the text. So what we will write over here is that the diamond is stolen. Diamond is stolen, or I think this will be alright, or else you can write more also. And if you want that, you have to write the other text in another line, so you should not press the enter key. Okay, just keep this in your mind. You have to control C. Okay, you can do control C, and then what you need to do is that come over here, then again paste it, and then now change the text. Like let's say let's say now we will write the thief won. Okay, the thief won, and now just we will change this, okay, to 140. So now see what is it coming. Okay, save. And now let's try to go till the okay, let's try to go till yes, but now you can see that it is coming so much on it only. So the reason is that I changed the Y, sorry, this X, you have to change the Y. So I will make it till 220. Okay, you have to keep all these things in your mind. While you are making a game, you have to keep all these things in your mind, that whatever you are writing isn't wrong. Okay, so now let's go. Okay, the thief, but now as I can see that the diamond is stolen is going out of the boundary, so I will reduce the X. So now let's give it as 200, so that it is equal, right? Okay, so remember that we don't need to write the 200 because it is the 200 it is taken from this T1, so we have to write something like, let's say 50. I think so it will be alright. So let's try it. So this coding all is about experimenting your ideas, that if you are having any ideas, so see it is coming, but still the gap is less, so let's make it. We will give here as 240. Okay, so that the gap is proper. Yes, so now as our game is completed, so now just two things are left, that is this Natwalal, we have to write Natwalal over here and diamond over there. So now as you can see that I have written the code. So what I wrote is that text font Blackadder ITC, text size this, fill rain, text Natwalal and the place. So let's see that what is the X and Y of Natwalal. So the X of thief is this, so we have to make it a bit right to it. Okay, and what is this X, so it is 380, so let's keep this as 380 only. And for the same diamond, so let's see the diamond's X is 374. So let's try what is the result. Okay, the diamond is just overlapping it, so that is a problem. So let's fix it out. So let's keep it 390, so it is down. And then what we have to make is that we have to just change the Y. So let's make it to 30. The output is this. So as we can see that our game is totally completed. So everything has been done. So guys, our game is totally completed. So thank you for watching this video. If you are new, then please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.